So hi everyone, welcome back. So today a quick project. I like to break up, when I have a big project that has a lot of steps, like building an instrument, I like to break it up with like a day project just to get me to refocus. So today what I'm going to do is something we need in our kitchen is an extra spoon. Where I have a teenager and my wife and I are both cooking in the house and we all use the same spoon, which means that when it's been used, like nobody can use it after unless you wash it. So, or if you're cooking at the same time, like it would be good to have a second one. So I do like the size and shape of this one. I might change a bit of the handle, but all in all, we're just going to replicate the one that we like here. So for this, I'm going to use this scrap of maple. Maple is food safe, so I'm going to use that, and it's the perfect width for it. So I'm just going to trace the spoon on here just to get a rough idea, and then that's where the handle starts. I do like the length of it, so I'll just roughly mark it and then transpose where the cup is so we can carve it out. So this is it for the day project. It turned out to be about an hour and 15 minutes it took me to make that spoon. It's probably going to take me longer to edit the video on my computer, but there you have it. So quick day project you can do in your shop. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I wish you well.